Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to fix DJ AI mode missing on Spotify. So when you open your Spotify app, you will notice the new feature on your Spotify, which is the AI DJ mode on your Spotify app. So you can see that on the top left corner of your screen. But you need to make sure that you are on a premium plan. As you see on my screen, my Spotify is not on a premium plan. So you can see at the bottom, there's only three buttons right over here. But if you are on a premium plan, you can see the fourth option, which is the premium button right over here. But how can we use that new feature? New AI DJ feature. Now to access the AI DJ, users can navigate to the music feed on the home tab in the Spotify app and play the DJ card. If they are not satisfied with the selected genre, mood or artist, they can tap the DJ button again to switch to something new. So I will recommend to you that you need to update your Spotify app. So go to your Google Play Store and search for Spotify. When an update button shows up, tap on update so you can now access the new feature on your Spotify app. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.